7 Best Characteristics and Benefits of Charismatic Leadership Style. Leaders follow various leadership styles to achieve success and maintain excellent company culture in their organizations. In this fast-paced corporate world, things are bound to evolve, and so do leadership qualities. Good leaders play a pivotal role in ornamenting an organization's success and inspire people with their highly influential personalities. Out of multiple types of leadership, the charismatic leadership style is designed to inspire people and influence employees to do their best work possible. It helps employees improve their communication skills, enhance productivity, boost performance, and foster team bonding opportunities. Steve Jobs, Gandhi, and Martin Luther King Jr., we knew them as dynamic and inspirational leaders. These leaders inspired people throughout their lives, and how? By being successful, charismatic leaders. But do you know what it means exactly? So, without further ado, let's get to know about charismatic leadership and its benefits. Charismatic leadership focuses on the leaders themselves. It's the ability to communicate, influence, and be comfortable in their own skin. Charisma is a process, a quality that requires transforming visions into a reality. And this is precisely what you must follow as a leader or a manager. It is further defined by leaders who use their powerful personalities and excellent communication skills to persuade employees and keep them engaged during crises. If you are a charismatic leader, you will help your organization move forward while it is struggling to progress. Leaders who apply charismatic leadership tend to have a clear vision in business or politics and the capability to address a large audience to influence them with a convincing speech. It is also incomplete if it does not focus on leaders personally. Compared to other leadership styles, this leadership style focuses on the leader's personality and actions, not the process or structure. This leadership practice is quite similar to others. Both it and transformational leadership rely on the leader's ability to influence the people they lead and support their employees during a crisis by reducing attrition and burnout. While transformational leaders rely on a shared vision to make a change, charismatic leaders rely on their skill set to move their employees to action. We can also match this with coaching leadership. The only difference being coaching leaders rely on one-to-one constructive criticism, and charismatic leaders persuade a mass altogether. Characteristics of charismatic leadership. If democratic leadership points towards guiding a team, or charismatic leaders manage employees' emotions to create a positive work environment and hold no toxicity. So, here we have mentioned a few characteristics to follow charismatic leadership successfully. 1. Communication. These leaders hold extremely refined skills in communication. Helping employees through tough times and making them stay grounded during tough times is the motto of every charismatic leader. If you want to apply this leadership style, you must also ensure you are equally good at one-to-one meetings and communicating in a group setting. You must hear everyone, and your message should hold relevance, clarity, and understanding for your employees to follow and relate to it. 2. Maturity. Even though leaders have a strong and powerful personality, charismatic leaders also display maturity and character. They do not believe in making blanket statements, but they use their accumulated knowledge and business experience to help an organization grow. They welcome and respect every individual who belongs to various cultures, ethnicities, races, and sexuality, and are bereft of A mature leader is not afraid of accepting their mistakes and refrains from taking everything. They learn from their mistakes throughout, and they never miss out on an opportunity to learn from others. No matter what the occasion is, you must behave and act maturely at all times. Having a sense of humility is exceptionally important for charismatic leaders. They need to treat every employee with equal respect and dignity to listen to their concerns patiently. Humility promotes diversity and inclusion in the workplace. 4. Substance. Charisma indeed exists without substance, but not for a long time. The glitzy and glamorous appearance will capture people's attention, but gradually, employees will want something substantial beneath the facade. As a highly charismatic leader, you must talk the talk and walk the walk. Your charm will get you the attention and face time, while substance will close the deal. You must not make fake promises to your employees. Deliverance of promises is a must, and this garners employees' trust in return. 5. Confidence. Without a doubt, every charismatic leader holds an enormous confidence level to influence and persuade a large audience. They know themselves in and out and do not try to become somebody else. They are original and comfortable being who they are. A charismatic leader must have the ability to transfer this level of confidence to their workforce. A leader can find various opportunities to do this. One way is by implementing a successful reward and recognition program. 6. Body language. One thing that you'd prominently notice in a charismatic leader is a positive body language. They are warm, open, and full of joy with their appearance. They are usually making eye contact while talking to people and always greet people with a smile. 7. Good listening skills. Charismatic leaders are excellent listeners. Say this because you won't find them fidgeting or fiddling when you have a word with them while interacting with such leaders. They are fully engaged in the conversation and listen to each and everything carefully. You must show equal empathy and respect for every individual's concern. Active listening is an acquired skill, for leaders must have the patience to listen to their employees' concerns with utter diligence without being vindictive. Benefits of charismatic leadership. Before we end this video, we would like to enlist a few benefits of charismatic leaders and why an organization needs them. 1. Charismatic leaders work towards a quality of life. 2. They seem to make life better for every individual working in an organization. 3. They build courage for conviction. 4. They stand up for people who have different opinions about society and the organization. 5. Charismatic leaders fill the communication gaps between the organization and the employees. 6. They motivate employees and inspire people for better productivity. 7. They help promote collaboration and team building.